the Dermaflash, and I'm looking forward to doing this. And then I also got the, so I picked up a couple of things at TJ. What the heck was that? I don't have a clue. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the other day I went to, and I picked this up at TJ Maxx, and I got, it is the Dermaflash Facial Exfoliation and Peach Fuzz Removal. And it comes with some instructions. This is really slick, guys. I love this. I love how it feels. So this is supposed to exfoliate your skin as well as remove facial peach fuzz. A pre-flash cleanser, so I'm assuming that they want you to cleanse your face prior to doing that. And then it comes with a moisturizer. And it comes with 4 blades. It also comes with a charging station and its cord. And I'm not quite, oh, I think it goes this way. Yep, okay, cool. Looking forward to getting rid of some of that peach fuzz. It looks really nice. Okay, I don't know how that's going in. All right, so I also got, and this was, I got this for $59 at TJ Maxx, guys. Believe it or not, I got a couple of other things too. And I looked online and I saw them going anywhere from $199 to $99. So, yeah, if it does really well, we're going to be doing something on this, guys, for sure. Okay, so then the other thing I got was the Puree Cone MD. It's a Cold Plasma Plus Platinum Collection. It promotes the most visible signs of healthy and youthful looking skin. So I had a chance to check a person out online, and she did a review on it, and she had some lines, you know, those necklace lines that goes on. I have them as well, and it really, you could tell a difference. So I'm gonna give this a try and see what else, how this comes. This will probably be a 30-day thing, and then we'll show you the end result. Okay, and then what else did I get? I got, it's a, now this came from Korea, guys. This is a vitamin C collagen essence face mask, brightening and restoring. 5 masks. So this is gonna be kind of cool. I have an upcoming video on my microneedling. Hopefully I can get it edited. If you guys do like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you'll get to know, notified on any upcoming videos that I have coming up. And thanks guys for watching. I hope that you come back and see me again. Bye. So if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button below and hit the like button for it. So if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down below and the bell for notifications of any upcoming videos I might have. What else is there? Any videos I might have. And then the charging unit where it sits. So I guess that's a little bizarre. I don't see how that's gonna fit. Oh, maybe it goes this way. Aha.